Good morning class 8. In previous class we start a new chapter number 4, materials, metals and non-metals. We also discussed the overview of this chapter. Now we will discuss a new topic of this chapter, which is physical properties of metals. First we discuss the physical properties of metal, then we discuss the physical properties of non-metals. So physical properties of metals are luster, malleability, ductility, sonorous, melting and boiling point. These are the physical properties of metal. What do you understand by the physical state? Physical state means the physical appearance which we see in the metals, the physical appearance. So first of all, the physical appearance, metals are solid at the room temperature, but there is the exception, mercury. Mercury is a liquid at the room temperature. Okay, so we discuss about the first property, which is luster. Luster means the shining appearance. Metals have the shining appearance at the on their surface, so we can justify that this is metal or this is non-metal. The metal have luster. Luster means shining appearance. Okay. Second property is malleability. Malleability means beaten into thin sheets. The metals have the characteristics to beaten into thin sheets. Most of the metals we have, when we beat that metal, they are converted into thin sheets. Like iron, when we beat iron with the hammer, it converted into thin sheet. So metals also have this property to beaten and converted into thin sheet, like copper, aluminium and iron. So third property is ductility, drawn into thin wires. So metal also have the characteristics that we make the thin wires from the metal. So which are those metals? Like gold, silver. When we beaten them, they made the thin sheets. First we made them thin sheet, like by the process of malleability. Then afterwards, from the thin sheet, by the process of ductility, we make the thin wires of the gold and silver, from which the ornaments are also made. Okay. Next property is sonorous. So ringing sound on hitting. Sonorous means ringing sound on hitting. When we hit the metal, it sounds like a ringing. In our house, the bells are also made up of metal. Okay, so they produce a sound of ringing. Okay, next is melting and boiling points. The melting and the boiling points of the metals are very high. They have high melting and boiling points because they are the solid. That's why they have the high melting and boiling points. Okay, other is conductivity. Sixth one is conductivity, which means they have the good conductor of heat and electricity. They have the good conductor of heat and electricity. Okay, like for example our aluminium wire, copper and the except graphite. These have the exceptions like graphite. Okay, next is hardness and strength. Metal are hard and strong except sodium, potassium and magnesium. Metals are very hard, we know that, except sodium, potassium and magnesium. These are not very hard. If we cut them with the knife, they easily cut with the knife. So they are not hard. So these are the physical properties of metal. Okay, sixth one is conductivity. Seventh one is, after the conductivity, we discuss about hardness and strength. Okay, so in this class we discuss these topics only, physical properties of metal. In the next class we will discuss the physical properties of non-metal. Okay, thank you class, bye.